Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to evaluate this function. It actually is an expression which references a function. Specifically, it references the f function. So that means we're going to look at this one. F of x is equal to negative 3/2 x plus 11. It only references the f function. So we do not care about the g function or the h function because it's not talking about those. Okay, so let's rewrite this. We're going to have 1 minus 2 bracket. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our function inside here. So our function is right here. So it's going to be negative 3/2. It tells us that the x value for our function is going to be equal to this 8/9. So that's what we will put in here. 8/9. Okay, and then we will have plus 11 on the end, and we will close our bracket. Okay, so at this point, everything is just order of operations. So let's go ahead and start working this down. So we've got 1 minus 2. Order of operations tells us to always focus on what's inside the brackets first. So we are going to do that. Negative 3 times 8 is going to be negative 24. And 2 times 9 in the denominator is 18 plus 11. Okay, and we can do this by hand, in our head, ever how you want to, but we're going to pull up our handy dandy calculator, and we're going to notice that I've already calculated negative 24/8 plus 11 is equal to the 29/3. So that's going to be 1 minus 2 times the 29/3. And then order of operation tells us next that we should distribute this negative 2 into the brackets in order to eliminate the brackets. So we're going to have 1 minus, and on my calculator again, we calculated the 29/3 times the 2, and we got 58/3. So we're going to have 58/3 right there. And then at that point, we can go ahead and say 1 is equal to 3/3. Hopefully that feels familiar to you. So 3/3 minus the 58/3. And then that is going to be equal to negative 55/3. And our original function, an expression which referenced the f function right here, get rid of all that stuff. This original function right here, its answer is negative 55/3. We have now evaluated our function. This is the answer. Hopefully that is helpful to you. Just click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and we'll see you back real soon.